Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my process of creating a mood board for my laundry room makeover. So right now, these days in the time of my life at the moment, I am super busy with a baby and preschool and drop off and making lunches and everything. So I can't do a before and after in just one video. It's going to be a process, so I thought I would take you in this journey of making over my laundry area and possibly do this process for future projects and room makeovers in the future. Let me give you a quick before look at what the laundry area looks like right now. So this is right off of my kitchen, and this door leads to the outside where our car's at. So when we come in, we take off our shoes and they just kind of are a mess. So I would like to have peg rails on this side along with some of the beadboard and just have really nice Cottage Farmhouse and useful things on those peg rails. Here I plan on taking off these shelves and having the sconce come out of this area here on the wall, and the wall here is not flat, like it pops, half of it pops off. I don't know what the purpose for that was. Also, this space has become a major dumping ground, so anytime I come home from picking up my son from preschool or just from an outing, I just dump my purse or the backpack or towels or play stuff. It just kind of goes on top of the washer and dryer. Anything that I don't want in the pretty areas of my home to be seen, I just dump it in this area. So I definitely want an organization system going on here, so that way in the future I don't have ugly messes and clutter in this area. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit YouTube and then I'm going to go to thumbnail just because it's wide enough, and then I'm just going to create a blank thumbnail. And I'm just going to be adding some pictures. Usually I'll go to my Pinterest and start with my creative juices flowing by looking at what I've already pinned. Like, I know I like peg rails, so I like the look of this. I have a very small laundry area, so I thought having something like the shoe thing here would be a good idea, since we're taking off our shoes at the entrance of the side door where our laundry room is. And I like the paneling here of this one. Okay, so I really like this a whole lot, and it's vintage inspired laundry room. I really like the paneling in the back, and I like the light sconce. I just like everything about it. It's really cute and exactly what I want to do. So since I like this, I'm going to start with wood paneling. I'm just going to grab this right here. Let's try to get that and put it on my desktop. And that way I can come here, uploads, and put it in there. Alright, so to start off with, I'm going to add that because I know I want the bird. And then now I'm going to possibly go, I know I like this sconce, so I'm going to go ahead and see what Home Depot offers. So maybe I can write golden sconce. See what that brings up, and that way I can see prices as well. That one's cute, but that's not what I'm looking for, and it's a little pricey. So there's this one. Don't like the price.
don't need two, I need one. This is actually harder than what I was thinking. Well, there's this one. I hate when they don't have the prices. It makes me feel like they're shady. Okay, there's this one. Is it similar? What is the one? Oh, I like the shape of this one. After going through so many options from Home Depot, Walmart, Amazon, Lowe's, I finally found this one that I liked, and it is from Amazon, and it was $38. Screenshotted some of these paint color options and put them in my selection for photos for when I start doing the mood board, and this helps me to see the colors side by side as options. One was dolphin, I believe, dolphin fin, which is this one right here, and bear, and I was able to see like in different lighting if I like it. So it gives me good options. I really liked how that looked. Just like a really nice bright gray color. So that is an option that I chose. Here I've put in them side by side on my mood board to kind of give me an idea as to what color I would want to paint the board and batten or bead board and shelving. So you can see there's subtle differences on here. The fun part is putting everything together. So I've already started here. I put my bead board here and the colors that I kind of am thinking about, and then just kind of a very it's not very detailed, just kind of things of items that kind of go together that I'm searching for. That way if I go thrifting or antique shopping and I find something for a good price, I can always refer to my mood board, and if it fits with the style that I have, then that helps me make decisions a lot quicker. So I'm going to just plug in everything.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process from the beginning of a makeover and just how I create a mood board to help me stay in line and a guide to go shopping and to make me make those decisions by seeing everything together and seeing what works and what doesn't. So I hope you enjoyed the process. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. You have to let me know in the comments what you think and if you enjoy watching the starting point to finishing of a makeover. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here at Considered Aunt Joy, and you can do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.